Hello, my name is Aryan Raj. I went to Bridgewood School till my class 10th and then DPS Raji for 12th and IIT JEE preparation. I got 97% in 10th boards and 96% in 12th boards. Cleared JEE mains and JEE advanced. Sufficient enough for me to get into the IITs but took a drop this year for performance improvements. Talking about till class 10th, I went to Cbse for my physics, chemistry and maths. What most I loved was the completion of syllabus on time. It was completed 3 to 4 months back the board. We got sufficient time for preparation and then question solving. Sir used to make us do past year papers, sample problems, and also cleared our doubts after the classes in the doubt clearing sessions. Also, sir used to organize tests in the class which helped me know my weaknesses and my strengths and focus more on my weaknesses to improve it. Sir helped me a lot and many doubts were cleared by sir. Now then I went to Raji for my boards. I went to DPS and for IIT preparation I joined FitG. What I realized was the importance of self-study, but between school and coaching I was not able to get time. So whenever I got either a break from the school or from the coaching, I used to do a 6-hour self-study. I adopted two techniques. First was 2 plus 2 plus 2 hours, that was physics, chemistry and maths each day. And the other that I tried was 3 plus 3, 2 subjects each day, physics, chemistry, the next day chemistry, maths, and the other day maths and physics. What I benefited was from 3 to 3 hours, as all the exams were conducted in the shift of 3 hours and made me a habit of sitting for 3 hours and having complete attention. You can adapt either of the two that suits you the most. The most important thing is competition. FitG, DPS Raji and Sandeep sir's coaching provided me the competition, sufficient competition that helped me gain these good percentages. For boards, I focused mainly on the NCERT. Miscellaneous exercises helped a lot. For maths, I then also went to do RS Agrawal, but not enough time was there, so I used to complete the examples and some of the exercises of my weak chapters. Doing NCERT for physics and chemistry, reading it line by line is a must. Questions can be asked from any point, and also we have MCQs now in the boards, so that makes it more important to study line by line. Self-study is important, and what is important till 10th is the formation of basic concepts. Not much problem solving skills are required till class 10. 11 to 12 requires a lot of problem solving skills, and so students of 11-12 must focus mainly on the derivation part and question solving. Class 10 students must follow the syllabus and do a basic theory part to make their base strong for upcoming 11th and 12th. Preparing for boards also prepares you for JEE mains. There is not much difference in the syllabus. What important is the competition, not competition with like the state topper or the national topper. He's getting 99%, he's getting 98%. Be what you are. Compete with the students of your level, but competition is important. Thank you. All the best for your board examinations.